In this video, I'm going to test out SeiyanSwap, which is an OTC trading platform created by the Seiyans NFT team. They continue to develop new tools for the Sei ecosystem, and so I want to go ahead and test this out. You can find the link to this if you go into their Discord and official links. You'll see OTC trading, SeiyanSwap. Really, the point of this is if you want to make a deal with a friend or with anybody really, and you want to go over the counter instead of going through a marketplace like Pallet Exchange, you can do that using this tool. You can set the exact terms that you want for the swap or the trade with whoever you're doing it, and sort of acts as like a decentralized escrow account. Let's go ahead and test it out. So for this example, I'm gonna send an Outlines NFT to another wallet of mine just to test it out. So here's what we do. Let's go to SeiyanSwap, connect your wallet. In this case, it's Compass. What I want to do now is click on Swap NFTs. All right, so this will take you to the protocol, and what you want to do is click on select your NFT. You'll see these are the projects that these are the collections or projects that you can swap using this. They don't have all of them right now, it looks like, but this is a new tool, so I'm sure they'll add more as this matures. But in this case, we're going to click on Outlines. Since my wallet's connected, it recognized that I have one outline in my wallet. So I'll go ahead and click on that one. That's the one I want to send to the person I'm doing this deal with, which is me. Next thing you want to do is enter the wallet address. Where are we sending it to? So in this case, I'm going to send it to this wallet. So I'm going to click receive and copy the wallet address. This is another Compass wallet. So this would be the person I'm sending it to. Enter the wallet address. And then how much Sei do I want to receive for it? That's something you would work out with the person you're doing the deal with. Currently, these are trading around 60 Sei. I'm going to give myself a really good deal and just say 2 Sei. Okay, so we have selected the NFT that we're sending. This is who we're sending it to, and we're going to receive 2 Sei. That's the amount that we agreed on. Let's click swap. NFT sending to escrow. Go ahead and approve the transaction. NFT sent. Transaction added successfully. So if I click on sent, you'll see here it is. Here's the NFT that we sent to escrow. And you do have the ability to cancel it if you want to. So now let me go to my other wallet, right? So the person that's receiving it, go to SeiyanSwap as well, and then connect their wallet. So I'll go ahead and connect my Compass wallet again, just acting like I'm the other side of this transaction. Connect. All right, so now our Compass wallet is connected. Let's go ahead and click on receive. And you can see here is the Outline NFT. The price is 2 Sei, and so to accept this deal, all I have to do is click swap, and it says sending funds, so it's going to send 2 Sei to the wallet that previously owned this outline. Go ahead and approve the transaction. Funds sent success. So we got the funds sent successfully message. Okay, so now if I open up my Compass wallet, I can see that the 2 Sei was sent. If you go to activity, success, you can view the details of that if you click on it. But let's see if the NFT is in here. So let's go to NFTs. Okay, so I clicked on that. I don't see anything, right? I'm looking for that Outlines NFT that I should have received. Click on collections and then click manage collections. And there it is, Outlines. You just have to turn that collection on and then click out of that and then go to all. And there's the Outlines NFT that we just swapped for. So it's really easy to use SeiyanSwap. It's a great option if you want to do a deal with somebody else and not go through an exchange like Pallet. They're also coming out with a raffles section, which will be cool. The Seiyans NFT team continues to build interesting new tools for the Sei ecosystem. So I definitely encourage you to check them out on Pallet and to jump into their Discord. Follow them on X if you are interested in learning more about Sei in general. They are leading the way along with WeBump and a couple other projects in building out not just NFT stuff, but useful tools throughout the Sei ecosystem. Thanks for taking time to watch this video. See you in the next one.